Hey everyone, welcome back to MaryFox Crypto, the channel where you're subscribed for the latest Bitcoin news, price action, and all things crypto. If you're new here, welcome. In this video, we're going to be talking about the price of Bitcoin, whether it will continue going down or it will go up, retest the previous all-time high, and potentially create a new all-time high. So that's what we are talking about today. And if that sounds interesting to you, then definitely keep on watching this video till the very end. If you are new on this channel, welcome. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below, like this video, share it with your friends. And if you are an experienced trader, make sure to go to the description of this video and claim your $200 bonus on BYBIT. If you already have an account there, you can still create a new account and still claim your $200 bonus and take advantage of that situation. So make sure you do that. And with that being said, let's go straight to the charts. So let's start with the daily chart of Bitcoin. And as you can see on the daily chart, Bitcoin has been creating higher lows and as well higher highs in a contracting range, which means that we are forming right now a rising wedge pattern. And if this pattern is found in a downtrend, it is actually a bearish pattern, because while the price is going through some correction and the price range becomes more narrow, it means that the trend is losing its strength and we might see potentially a move in a downward direction. However, right now, as you can see, we are in an uptrend. Of course, we are in an uptrend. Everyone knows that. And actually, when this pattern is found in an uptrend, this is a reversal pattern. And if we were to break to the downside of this pattern, we might actually go all the way down to $48,000 area. But I don't think actually that this is going to happen, because we are still have the support of this 50-day moving average. And as you can see right here, we perfectly touched this line right here. Then the price managed to stay above this line, and then we touched it again one more time, and then price as well managed to stay above this 50-day moving average period line, and then we created a new all-time high. So this thing is just continues to repeat, and this is why we might actually find the support and this 50-day moving average somewhere here, and then potentially we might see a break to the upside. So now let's look at the 4-hour Bitcoin chart and see what's going on there. So on a 4-hour Bitcoin chart, we are in an ascending channel, which is actually very good, because this is a very, very tradable pattern, because you can trade depending on this support line and resistance line. Let's say if we were to break to the downside, we might actually see a move all the way down to $53,000 area. But actually, I don't think that this is going to happen, because we have a very, very strong support line at this area right here at about $59,000, and then the next strong support line as well in this area right here, which is $57,000. So this support area right here is pretty strong, so chances are we will not go very soon to the $53,000 area. So if this would be the case, then we might potentially test this area right here, and then we might see a move to the upside. But if we were to break to the upside, we might actually see Bitcoin testing creating a new all-time high, and it would be around $72,000, which would be amazing, of course. And you can actually trade this pattern over on BYBIT. And how you can do that, like you can, for example, let's say if you want to trade on the breakouts, on the breakdowns of this pattern, you can just wait until you see that the price goes above this resistance line, and either you can enter your trade, place an order there, and let's say place your stop loss just at this level of a previous resistance, which would be a support now. Or you can actually wait until the price comes back down, and then it kind of bounces off this new support line, which was a resistance previously, and then you can place your order. Or if we were to break to the downside, you can wait until it breaks right here, and then you could place your order, or you can wait for a confirmation that this is now a resistance line, and then when it goes down again, you can place your order right here and set your stop loss somewhere here at this resistance line. So now let's take a closer look at this. Now let's take a closer look at this descending channel on a 1 hour time frame. So of course, on a 1 hour time frame, if you are trading in this pattern, this is a great opportunity because you see that we are creating lower highs on a 1 hour time frame, and this is a perfect opportunity to long here, and if the price continues consolidating in this descending channel, this is what you can continue to do. So basically, we see a move to the $59,000 area and a bounce of this support line, then you can place your trade right here, long right here, and then set your stop loss or even a trailing stop loss if you feel comfortable doing that. And of course, you can do so on BYBIT. You can create an account. I have a link in the description down below. If you create an account there, you will get a $200 bonus, and you can still create a new account if you already have one to take advantage of all these amazing bonuses. And of course, you can trade with leverage on BYBIT, and everyone, like not everyone, but many people don't like leverage trading, and of course I understand why, because you can lose your money if you are not an experienced trader by doing so. But leverage is actually very effective when it comes to protecting your Bitcoin and all of your other altcoins, because if you don't want to risk a lot of money, like let's say you don't want to risk and put 2 big Bitcoins on BYBIT or any other exchange, you can use leverage. Let's say you want to trade with 2 Bitcoin, but you only want to risk, let's say risk 1 Bitcoin and put it on exchange. So what you do, you put 1 Bitcoin on exchange and then you use leverage, and in this case you are trading with the same amount of money you would as if you were to put 2 Bitcoin on that exchange, but you only but you are kind of putting only 1 Bitcoin on that exchange. So yeah, leverage helps you to put less money on exchange and protect your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that you are using to trade with. So make sure you go to the description of this video, claim your $200 bonus on BYBIT, subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.